Hello students, first exercise, first one now. Find the arithmetic mean of the sales per day in a fair price shop in a week. They given total week rupees they given. Find arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean nothing but mean or average. First one, arithmetic mean, AR. Arithmetic mean or AM. What is arithmetic mean? Sum of all observations by number of observations. Sum of the observations. Sum of observations by number of observations. Number of observations. Arithmetic mean, AM equal to sum of all observations by number of observations. Otherwise x bar equal to sigma xi by n. Sigma xi by n. So sigma means sum of all observations. So first one they given 10,000 plus 10250 plus 10790 plus 9865 plus sum of all observations still to 15350 plus 10110 by, so how many observations total here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 times. This total add, this one total add, we get 66,365 by 6. This do cancellation, 6 ones, here 0, 6, 0.83. So this is, therefore, x bar equal to sum of observations by number of observations. We'll get arithmetic mean x bar equal to 11,060.83. Second one, find the mean of the data. 10.25, 9, 4.75, 8, 2.65, 12 and 2.35. They given some data. Find mean. Mean, nothing but arithmetic mean. AM equal to sum of observations by number of observations. Sum of the observations by number of observations. Number of observations means x bar equal to sigma xi by n. Means write all sum of observations. 10.25 plus 9 means nothing but 9.00 plus 4.75 plus 8 plus 2.65 plus 12 plus 2.35 by total how many observations? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This total add 49.00. So nothing but 49 by 7. Here again cancellation, 7 sevens 49, 7. So what is this 7? Therefore x bar equal to 7. X bar equal to 7. Arithmetic mean or average. Third question. Mean of 8 observations is 25. If one observation 11 is excluded, find the mean of the remaining. Given that the mean of 8 observations, the mean of 8 observations, they given 25. Mean of 8 observations is 25. Means sum of observations. Sum of 8 observations. equal to 25 into 8 equal to 200. Sum of 8 observations 200. If they given, if the observation 11 is subtracted from the sum, 11 is subtracted from the sum, means 200 minus 11 will get 189. Now find mean. Therefore, the mean of remaining. So they are asking find remaining mean. The mean of remaining means 7 observations. 8 observations, 11 is subtracted from the sum, means remaining how many? 7 observations. 7 observations means mean of 7 observations equal to 189 by 7. Here do cancellation. 7 2s and 7 7s means 27. So mean of remaining 7 observations equal to 27. Fourth question. Arithmetic mean of 9 observations is calculated as 38. But in doing so, an observation 27 is mistaken for 72. Find the actual mean of the data. Answer. The mean of 9 observations. The mean of 9 observations. (38). Sum of 9 observations. Sum of 9 observations. Sum means do product this one. 38 into 9 will get 342. This is sum of 9 observations, 342. If the observation they given 27 is mistaken for 72, means write one sentence. If the observation 27 is mistaken for 72, then so what is correct observation? Then correct observation correct observation 72 minus 27 equal to 45. So sum of correct observations, sum of correct observations equal to, before 9 observations sum 342 plus 45, 342 plus 45 will get 387. So now find correct to mean. So therefore correct to mean equal to, correct mean equal to 387 by how many observations? 9 observations equal to, do cancellation, 9 4s 3 means 43. Correct observation, therefore correct mean equal to, so mean equal to 43. Fifth question. 5 years ago mean age of a family was 25 years. And what is the present mean age of the family? Answer. When all observations of data are increased or decreased by a certain number, the mean also increase or decrease by the same number. We know that before only. So all observations of the data is increase, then mean also increase. Automatically observations are decrease, then mean also decrease. Like that 5 years ago mean age of a family age of a family equal to 25 years. 25 years. Present mean age of the family. Means 5 years ago. Means now present age 25 plus 5 equal to 30 years. Now find mean. X bar equal to sigma xi minus 5 years 5 by n equal to 25 they given. Sigma xi minus 5 by n plus 5 equal to this total 25. Sigma xi minus 5 by n equal to 25. 25 plus 5 equal to 30. Here one of the condition, when all the observations of the data are increased or decreased by a certain number, the mean also increases or decreases by the same number.